How to save money using the internet, and the way I did it was using the hotspot on my phone. I had T-Mobile, so let's check it out. T-Mobile only gives you 20 gigabytes per line to use at 4K. After that, it slows down to around 600 kilobytes. In my case, at the end of the billing cycle, which is tomorrow, I had used 80 gigabytes for 2 lines, 32 from one and 49 for the other one. That's because my daughter watch a lot of cartoons. So next, I'm going to run a test to show you how fast my laptop connects to the internet to browse around and how fast it takes to load Netflix to watch movies and also YouTube on my TV. So the first thing is, let's connect to my laptop. Just to clarify, this is more for people that just like to watch movies or surf the web or YouTube. This is not for people that upload or download large files because it's gonna be super slow. But if you're one of those people that just watch Netflix or Hulu, whatever you have, or just surf the web or watch videos on YouTube, this is for you. You will save $50 to $70 depending on your carrier's service provider. So I'm already connected to internet, and let's launch YouTube. And as you can see, it only took 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 seconds to load in. And the first thing I want to do is I'm gonna play a music video by the Alabama Shakes, free commercial. So it takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's taking a little longer than expected, but normally it's pretty fast. Maybe because I clean the cookies on my and the cashier on my. Oh, there it is. So I think it took almost like 10 seconds to load in, but once it loads in, it won't stop. It will play straight out, and you can even see the bar on the left side. The white bar is going pretty fast, and the quality of the video is pretty good. As you can see, all the comments and all the videos on the right side are fully loaded. Now you can just move around. Doesn't stop. Well, let's play another clip to see how fast the next clip load in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5 seconds, and we're already in. So this is a commercial, so the video will start right after, as you already know. This is a real time. I haven't stopped the video, so that way you can see for yourself. Oh, look at the video start right away after the commercial. Oh, there's a little slow down. Never seen that before, but it went back to normal. So the video is being played at 480p. So I want to actually watch a little higher. I'm gonna go to 7. I want to change the quality of video from 80p to 720p. If I go 1080, it might be a little risky, might be a slowdown, but I think 720p is actually good quality. Oh, look at it. It looks good, and the bar on the left keeps moving and moving. Alright, cool. So that's for the video. So I pause it and let's go and check a regular website. Let's check Craigslist. And Craigslist is pretty fast because it's not a complicated website. All you gotta do is it's a pretty easy website to browse around. There's no videos or pictures that loading, and loading pretty fast. Yeah, boom. So let's check another website. In this case, let's do Adorama. That's what I buy some of my things. As you can see, the page already loaded in, and this page has a slideshow and a bunch of videos and pictures. It kind of takes a little while to load in all of them. I guess its slideshow is pretty fast. I'm gonna do a search for my camera. To see how fast that's do the browsing. And I have a little commercial there. Just close it and I click browse. It's taking a little longer. I mean, it depends on what pace you're surfing. I mean, it might be faster or slow. And you can see he already loaded all the different pictures. And it went through, and there it is. That's the camera I was looking for. Okay, cool. So that was great. I mean, that was not bad, to be honest. So now I want to check on my TV how fast the connection is. For that, it's going to connect to my hotspot, which is Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And as soon as I'm connected, I'm going to go into Netflix to see how fast the connection is. And click on it. We're going through. It takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're in. Not bad to be connected to the internet on my TV using my hotspot. Now I'm gonna hit play it and let's watch. It only took a few seconds. I should notice that. And I mean, so now let's go in YouTube and see how fast it goes. I had to stop the chapel because it's copyright or something, so I had to redo the video. So it took a few seconds to load, but it's kind of like the laptop. Once you're in there, it won't stop. So boom, looks like I'm over here. So you can see we've been watching a lot of cartoons for my baby. And let's just play something real quick. I mean, still loading. Okay, just searching around. So basically, just to let you know, I mean, on T-Mobile it's $150, but if you have like a direct payment, they charge you $140, and plus they give you a free Netflix. So I was able to cancel my membership and use the free Netflix from T-Mobile. So that saved me $10, and plus $13 is $23. So from $150 minus $23, it's $137 a month, you know. So so here we are. There's a video plan, and the quality of it is really good, non-stop, and blah blah. And and I can keep going and show a lot of samples, but I think it's worth it for me that I cancel my membership from Spectrum, which was charging me over $70, and I'm just using the hotspot for now. I mean, honestly, because it went higher a little bit, but at the end, I saved back on the back end. Total, I'm saving actually $50 a month because I did this move. It might vary on different companies, but you have to check on your local company, and some of these might work for you, some of these don't. But in my case, it did work for me. It saved me $50 a month. Based on the bill that I get from T-Mobile now, and what I got from them, and when I canceled my membership from Spectrum. So that's $50. It's like $600 a year that you save, and the internet is still working. I mean, to watch movies, to watch Netflix. I mean, to watch YouTube, and to browse the internet on my laptop and on my TV. Cool. So just give it a try. This is my first month that I do it, and it worked for me. So I'm gonna stick around with this, and hopefully it works for you, and then you're able to save $50 or so a month. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you like this video, please subscribe and like my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.